Today we are going to study a new variety of Makuda Adabu. I have already explained to you about the Makuda Adabu. Already in our previous lessons, 14 and previous lesson, practical lesson 15, I have already explained to you about Makuda Adabu or Tirmana Adabu. For what purpose we are using the term Makuda Adabu? It is the crowning. Makuda Adabu means the crowning. At this Makuda Adabu or the Tirmana Adabu, we are using at the end of oral Natuvanga Jadi Korves or at the end of Swara Jadi Adabu Korves. Now you have a clear picture about for what purpose these Makuda Adabus are being used in Bharatanatyam. Today we are going to study a new variety of Makuda Adabu. This variety of Makuda Adabu is generally known as Periya Tirmana Adabu. Periya means big Tirmana Adabu. And the earlier ones, what we have learned in our practical lesson 14 and practical lesson 15, those were called as Sinna Tirmana Adabus. Sinna Tirmana Adabus. So you can see generally, that means it is not popularly known, but generally to explain the Bharatanatyam world is categorized these Makuda Adabus in two main categories. One is Chinna Tirmana Adabu and other one is Periya Tirmana Adabu. The Periya Tirmana Adabu, we have only one variety that we are going to study today. The Chinna Tirmana means small Tirmana Adabus. We have already learned in our previous practical lesson 14 and practical lesson 15. Today we are going to study a new variety of Makuda Adabu that is known as Periya Tirmana Adabu. It is not, as I have already told you, it is not popularly divided into two, but to make the students to understand, generally the Bharatanatyam world has divided these Tirmana Adabus into main different categories. Then only the students will understand. Then I will show you how to do the Chinna Tirmana Adabu. I just revise you. We have learned one Adabu Korvai. Ta Katta Jom Tari Ta Jom Tari Jaka Tari Te. This is one variety. We have already learned it. That would be like it. Ta Katta Jom Tari Ta Jom Tari Jaka Tari Te. This is one variety. We have already learned in our previous practical lesson 14. Similarly, we have already learned another variety of Makuda Adabu in our practical lesson 15. That is Tatti Kinna Tom Tatti Kinna Tom Takka Tikka Tatti Kinna Tom. This is the second variety of Makuda Adabus. These two Makuda Adabus, to make the students to understand the Bharatanatyam word, is named as Chinna Tirmana Adabus. Chinna Tirmana Adabus. The Adabu which we are going to study today is called as Periya Tirmana Adavu. Periya means big. Big Tirmana Adavu. The Adavu which we are going to study today is known as Periya Tirmana Adavu. This is not popularly known, but to make the students to understand, we are dividing like this. This Periya Tirmana Adavu, what we are going to study today, we are not combined with other Adavu. That means the Chinna Tirmana Adavus we can combine together. For instance, you can see Ta Kata Jom Tari Ta Jom Tari Jagatari Tari Tati Kinna Tom Taka Tati Kinna Tom Taka Tika Tati Kinna Tom. This we have combined. That the two Makuda Adavus we have combined. But generally this Periya Tirmana Adavu which we are going to study today, we are not going to combine. But normally the earlier two Makuda Adavus we are always combined together and use it in dance. But it is little rare to find the Adavu which we are going to study today. We are normally not much combined with the other Makuda Adavus. We are combined with the end with chorus, but not with the other Makuda Adavus. The syllable for this particular Makuda Adavu which we are going to study is Kittataka Tarikita Tom. Ta Kittataka Tarikita Tom. Takka Tikku Kittataka Tarikita Tom. It is based on Rupaka Talam. This particular variety of Makuda Adavu, we are using the syllable Kittataka Tarikita Tom. Ta Kittataka Tarikita Tom. Takka Tikku Kittataka Tarikita Tom. That is the syllable we are using. As the earlier Makuda Adavus were also based on Rupaka Talam, same as this particular Makuda Adavu is also based on Rupaka Talam. I will explain the foot position for the right side. It would be like this. We have to adapt the Arai Sthana position with Alida Mandala foot position. We have to do Kitta, Takka, Takri, Kitta, Tam. Ta, Kitta, Takka, Takri, Kitta, Tom. Takka, Kitta, Kitta, Takka, Takri, Kitta, Tom. This is the right side movements. Now I will do the left side. It would be like this. Arrangement is position with Halida Mandala foot position. It would be Kitta, Takka, Takri, Kitta, Tom. Ta, Kitta, Takka, Takri, Kitta, Tom. Takka, Tikku, Kitta, Takka, Takri, Kitta, Tom. This is the foot position for left side. Now we will coordinate with the hand movements and hand gestures. Hand gestures which we are going to adapt for this particular Adavu is Patakam and Alapaduma. Patakam and Alapaduma. These are the two hand gestures we are adapting for this Adavu. I will explain to you how to do this Makuda Adavu with hand gestures and leg movements. Leg position, leg movements and all I will let you know. It would be like this. Ta, This is the right side movement. For this, left side would be Kitta taka tari kitta tom ka Kitta taka tari kitta tom taka ikku Kitta taka tari kitta tom. This is the left side. I will show you some dancers do this step with slight variation. That is also correct. We can also do it in such a way also. We can do it like the earlier way or the present way, which I am going to show you. It would be like this. Kitta taka tari kitta tom ka Kitta taka tari kitta tom taka ikku Kitta taka tari kitta tom. This is also possible. Only they are bring the hands closer to the opposite shoulder and putting down to the knee level. It is also beautiful. It could be done also. It is no harm to do it in this way also. This step I have to illustrate you that we are tarikitathon. We are doing tarikitathon. For right hand, we are doing with the left leg. For the left hand, we are doing with the right leg. See? Tarikitathon, 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 tarikitathon. Right hand, this is my right hand. I am doing with the left leg. For this, tarikitathon. For this is fine. Left side, left hand, I am doing with the right leg. That is the most important factor. You have to notice it. Now I will illustrate you how to do this step. Already I have explained to you, illustrated you. Now I will do it for both sides continuously.